Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Valiant. Valiant with another one. Music video. Sainty. You see me? So, let's jump in that one and you ready to say? Let's go, let's go.
NSG, the shadow is the greatest teacher. From how to come to the light.
Yo, the most money they are country.
Big up my science woman when me have done a Sainty.
Yo, I did see an article come out today when I don't know if it's true or anything. I'm signed to Ramesh and him now got sing no more scammer science song. Well, what is they got this science one when we are doing a Sainty? Look.
Big up my science woman when me have done a Sainty. Million Jamaican diplomats living wealthy. Science the client, the name that me having a Pepsi.
Yo, what kind of woman this? What kind of woman this, brother? Yeah.
Big up my science woman when me have done a Sainty.
Yeah.
Million Jamaican diplomats living wealthy.
Wealthy. Yeah.
Science the client, the name that me having a Pepsi.
And that's
Big up my science woman when me have done a Sainty. Alone clear eyes. Million Jamaican when you're afraid of. Watch me paper. Devil's house we beef them ears hard.
yo, all me know. Science man of Jamaica right now. Obe man and Obe woman make money right now off of them chopper ya. Cause the man and believe in them chopping. And Erie Valley just say all Pepsi involved, you know, so you know say, yo.
Sainty, alone clear eyes. Million Jamaican when you're afraid of. Watch me paper. Devil's house we beef them ears hard. Blood from my soul and my feet to me ears hard. Spirit from way across. Way across. Come full of gun just like the ISIS try me.
Full of gun just like the ISIS try me. I pause the video right now for say, who remember there was a time when Obia in Jamaica was a taboo subject. Nobody don't want to talk about it. You say you never got Obia man or you know so that person that work Obia, yeah. People not in them, people afraid of them or people don't want to associate themselves with them. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I just say music reach, you know? Yo. Valley, big up yourself still, bro. Yeah, do it, bro. Yeah, do it. Big up yourself, my G.
Millions on the come when you're afraid of. Watch me paper. Devil's house we beef them ears hard. Blood from my soul and my feet to me ears hard. Spirit from way across. Way across. Come full of gun just like the ISIS try me. Rolling gap that behind the crisis. From you looking at the crystal ball, wire transfer. You know say the money confirm.
Man saying looking like crystal ball, a wire transfer. You know say the money confirm. Everything got through, everything legit. So the woman did come through and fulfill her promises. Say yo, that gonna come true. So I say yo, money well spent. You see me, it work.
Just like the ISIS.
Well, I go ISIS.
Rolling gap that behind the crisis. From you looking at the crystal ball, wire transfer. You know say the money confirm. Can you tell me like the lantern? I'ma make you money turn, I'ma make you money turn. Big up my science woman when me have done a Sainty. Million Jamaican diplomats living wealthy.
Yeah, that music video is like a movie, I swear.
Tell me like the lantern, I'ma make you money turn, I'ma make you money turn. Big up my science woman when me have done a Sainty. Million Jamaican diplomats living wealthy.
Yeah.
Science the client, the name that me having a Pepsi. Big up my science woman when me have done a Sainty. Money talk, that's spiritual. 5 mil a day, that minimal. Ball me and
5 mil a day. 5 mil a day. That minimal. 5 mil a day.
that's spiritual. 5 mil a day, that minimal.
I guess I'm in the wrong job. I guess I'm literally in the wrong job, yo. 5 mil a day, that minimal.
Ball me and shoes in a sitting tag. Circle back. I want hype when I go with 30 grand. Move film lifestyle cheap, get the duffel bag. Straight the duffel bag. Money my call. Give me the power, I'm dry in the half. So still me head dog, I'm on if you serve money. Big up my science, man, when me have done a Sainty.
Bigger up.
Millions of mechanic diplomats living wealthy. Science the client, the name that me have in a Pepsi. Big up my science, man, when me have done a Sainty. Tackle back. Big bang drop, don't take that personal. Personal. Big up my science, man, when me have done a Sainty.
Okay, I never King Kong shoot that one. And then look like a King Kong shoot on the big up the visuals director though. Yo, Valiant. It gone. It gone. What can I say? It's a next catchy one where people are gonna gravitate to, people are gonna take on to it, people are gonna run with it. TikTok on social media platform, parties and everything, cause you don't know Valiant are doing thing. Valiant at right now, you see me? So big up yourself, my G. Lifestyle mad dog. The lifestyle mad though. 5 mil a day, that minimal. Me not the wrong job, man. Me not the wrong job, bro. You see me? Me not the wrong job. So if anybody out there want to teach me game, you know, say me there. You see it. Nobody message me no. Nobody message me about scamming, you know. Me not depend that, you know. Anyway, yeah. Valley, big up yourself, bro. The music video speaks the lyrics what you're spitting. So yeah, it match up. It's quite scary, and as you can see, a lot got into the video as well. The visuals is great. The vocals is great as always. Your talent is there. We see it. We know. So that's why we're there. When you drop the song, I forgot what you call it, boy. You say 3 girls in your bed. Me never really to feel a song there. I don't know why. Because we know say that's not you to be. Yes, we know every style and thing, but yeah, these are the songs where people know you for. Them songs where you sing now and chopping and the scamming and rare. So continue, bro. Continue. The science up, man. Big up, my G's. Obviously, him not gonna send me anymore. Him there, him gonna Sainty now. So when Saint Elizabeth, oh God. But yeah, Valiant, big up yourself. Big up the team with the around you as well. You see me? Big up Sainty. Big up the science one and Sainty for real. Yeah. I guess you can say it's another hit song because, like I said, people is gonna gravitate to it and run with it. So as you can see, the numbers don't lie. The numbers is going up already. So big up yourself. Big up the team, NSG Music Group. Big up on yourself. Diplomats Record. Big up on yourself. This time I'm gonna leave the one, guys. If you enjoyed that one and want some more from your G, subscribe around there. If you're new, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the and if you're worried about what this is, I do stream on TikTok. I drive truck, so I'm gonna leave my link in the description of that, so you can check that out. You understand? All right. So I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.